Greetings everyone, I'm Abdurrahman.
And I'm Faisal.
Today we will be going over lesson 9 of the Arduino starter kit, which is called Servo. Servo is a kind of motor with gears that rotate to this white horn. It can only rotate 180 degrees. The Arduino Uno R3 board sends electrical pulses that indicate which way to go by a particular magnitude. All we need is the Uno R3 board, the servo, and 3 M2M jumper wires. As you can see, the servo has 3 wires connected to it, which are the brown wire, which is for ground, red wire, which is for power, particularly 5 volts, and the yellow wire, which is for electrical pulses that send data that will be connected to pin number 9.
We start the program by telling the Uno board that we are going to use the servo.h library that we have already installed from files. Then we write servo my servo, which tells the board that we will be using the servo geared motor. We set and store the initial value of pos, which is shorthand for position, to 0. In the setup function, we establish communication between the servo and the Uno R3 board. The next line attaches the servo to pin 9 in the Uno board. Subsequently, we write the loop function that will happen infinitely until you disconnect the board or reset it. In there are 2 for loops. The first one checks if the position of the white horn is less than 180 degrees. If it is, the horn will move by whatever value is paused. Then the function increments pause by 1 degree, and will do this until pause is equal to 180. Each time the horn moves, it waits for 15 milliseconds. The second for loop is similar to the first, but it goes backwards, from 180 to 0 degrees. Remember, the servo will do it infinitely until you stop it. Now that I finished wiring, I can connect the Uno R3 board to the computer. As you can see, the horn is being moved by the gears of the servo to rotate to 180 degrees. When it reaches the limit, it will rotate back to 0 degrees, or its initial position. That's it. Thank you for watching.